Hey y'all, Sam here, and it is time for BOXYCHARM Plus. No, wrong. Let's try that again. Hey y'all, Sam here, and it is time to unbox my BOXYCHARM Luxe box for the month of June. Can't wait to see what we have in store. We actually have a card this month. You have no idea how happy that makes me that we have a card. And the theme is the Oasis. And I have box variation number 2. I think that's the lowest variation number I've ever received. Okay, so the first item on top is my choice item. Really, there wasn't a lot of good choices and I was a little late to the game. I didn't get the early access. So based on what was left, this is what I picked. Not thrilled with the pattern, I can go ahead and tell you that. So what we have here is from Hallmart Collections. Hallmart, not Hallmark, Hallmart Collections. And it is a sleepy mask and a pillowcase. I believe these are satin. Yes, satin. Satin pillowcase and eye mask. These are great for your skin so you don't wake up with wrinkles. And they're good for your hair so you get less tangly. I just don't like this pattern. I kind of wish I would have got a solid color. This doesn't really go with my farmhouse themed bedroom. Yeah, but it is really nice. It is really soft. So I'll give it a try. And this is $50, y'all. That's super expensive for one pillowcase and an eye mask. Kind of wish it had 2 pillowcases and not the eye mask, just because I feel like if you're going to put it on a bed, most people are going to want matching pillowcases. Just saying. BOXYCHARM, if you ever see this, next time you do pillowcases, can you do 2, please? Thank you. I appreciate you. All right, so the next item was spoiled. Spoiled as in meaning like we knew this was coming, not spoiled as in bad, just to clarify if you were wondering. But this is the Kylie Cosmetics Foaming Face Wash. I'm actually excited to try this. I've never tried any of Kylie Cosmetic products, believe it or not. They've never been in a subscription box, and I don't tend to go out and buy a lot of makeup on my own just because I do get so many subscription boxes. But they did include this little card with $5 off. So if we want to order more of her products, we can do that using code BOXY5. This face wash retails for $24. I like the packaging. It's cute. I like it. I'm gonna regret this, but I'm pretty sure it like foams. I don't want to put too much on my hand. Yes, it's foam. So even though it looks like a liquid in here, it is a foam cleanser. I mean, it says foam cleanser on the bottle, so I don't know why I felt the need to show you that it was foam. Lord help me. So the next item we received is from Pure Heals Nature Village and the propolis 80 sleepy mask. I hope I'm saying that right. That is a weird word. That is not a word I don't think I've ever said in my life. Propolis. Propolis. I know you guys are all saying, Sam, just stop trying. I can hear you. I can hear you through the internet. I know you're saying that. Let's open her up and smell it. Has little bees and honey all over the packaging, so I'm assuming it's going to smell like honey. Looks like honey. It kind of smells like honey, but kind of just like soap. I absolutely love sleepy mask, so I am excited about this product. I'm just going to rub a little bit here on my hand. If you've never used a sleepy mask, you need to buy one because you will wake up in the morning with the smoothest, freshest skin. All you do is rinse your face off in the morning. Honestly, you can't even feel the product in the morning. I still always just go ahead and wash my face before I apply my makeup, but it makes the world of difference, I promise you. And if you're wondering, this is $55. My entire box was $50, so this one product is more than my Boxy Luxe cost. So that makes Sam a happy gal. We like when we get a good value for our money, and this is a beautiful product. Yeah, now that I stuck my little grubby hands already in this jar, I found there's a little spatula in the bottom of the box. This is totally gonna get lost, but how much do I love that it comes with a spatula? You guys, I absolutely love that it comes with this. So you can scoop up, I gotta get this thing off again, dear Lord. You can take your little spoon and just scoop up your mask. That way you're not contaminating the jar if you haven't washed your grubby little fingers in the last like 5 minutes. Like, I haven't. I washed my hands before I started filming, but I filmed my Ipsy box first. So yeah, my grubby little hands just went all inside this thing. All right, next we have a product from Billion Dollar Brows. Honestly, I didn't know they did other things other than brows. We'll learn new things every day. But this is a 5-piece brush set, and it looks like it's going to be a face brush set. Face and eyes. Ooh, these are nice. These are super soft. You see how soft that is? I prefer a soft brush, honestly. I don't tend to like a hard brush. So I think I'm gonna get a lot of use out of these. And these retail for $50. Holy moly. So on the box, it tells us what brushes we have. We have a powder brush, a contour brush, a concealer brush, a shadow brush, and a highlight brush. Love this. We also got a 5-piece brush set from Farrah in our Ipsy box. If you haven't seen that one already, I've already posted it. So what are you doing? Go to my channel and watch it, please. Thank you. But anyway, I like this better. All right, next we have 2 lip liners. We have a little set here, and these are from Bodyography. And let's see what colors we have. Oh my gosh, y'all, I can't get this box open. We'll just rip it open because that's the only way I'm getting into it. I got the pencil, but now I don't have the lid. Son of a gun. 20 minutes later, got it. All right, so the 2 colors I got are Pouty and Rosewood. And here they are. They are the type of pencils that you sharpen. I'm fine with that. I don't mind a lip liner that I gotta sharpen. And here are the colors swatched. I have to say that the Rosewood, this darker one, is probably the one I'll get the most use out of. I kind of feel like this might have been a choice item too. I can't remember now, but this is the Tula Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling Brightening Eye Balm. This eye balm retails for $28. Love the packaging. This is super cute, y'all. I don't really understand this applicator. Oh, okay. I mean, didn't you guys think that you probably like push this? It's not just me, right? But it looks like you peel that off, and it looks like it's one of those ones that you like rub on your skin. Not sure how I feel about that under my eyes, and I don't like the smell of it. It smells like glue. Like, I feel like I should be like gluing down my eyebrows with this. Not sure I'm gonna be a fan of this, but let's see how much she's worth. $28. I think I already told you that, didn't I? I think I'm losing my mind. I love the inside of this box and how it's yellow. Those 2 colors look so good together. I love packaging. Packaging can sell me on anything. I know, I'm simple. Just call me Simple Sam. All right, next we have a pamphlet for Purlisse Perfect Glow BB Cream SPF 30. So I'm assuming somewhere in this foam, I'm probably gonna have this product. If not, this makes absolutely no sense on why it's in my box. And yes, here she is. We have a BB cream. And what color did they send me? Because they sent me medium. That makes me a little nervous. I'm a pale girl over here. Especially with quarantine, I haven't been in the sun at all. Yeah, she looks a little dark. Let me find a brush. Just gonna blend her in with a brush and see how she does. Well, I don't think I put enough on there to tell. She might work, y'all. She's a BB cream. BB creams aren't that serious. They are a little thinner. You can kind of blend them out. Yeah, I mean, I think she'll work. I don't know if I'll like a BB cream. I'm a full coverage gal. I mean, today is Sunday and I have all this makeup on because I love makeup. And these magnetic eyelashes, y'all, that I got on Amazon are freaking amazing. And I really like them. If you guys would like to see a video on these magnetic eyelashes, leave a comment below. Let me know it's something you're interested in. This BB cream retails for $35. That's kind of expensive. I mean, a full coverage foundation's $35 or cheaper. So, I don't know. We'll test her out. We'll see. She does have sunscreen in her, but I don't go outside. So, do I really need the sunscreen? I don't know if I do. All right, and at the bottom of the box, wrapped in foam, is the Tarteist Pro palette. And this is the Amazonian Clay palette. This was also spoiled, as in shown in advance that we would be getting this. Everyone is supposed to be getting this if they got the Luxe box for the month of June. I love Tarte's packaging. I have to admit, I just love Tarte, period. Let's check out the palette. Yes, girl, yes. These are like the perfect colors for work. I mean, this is like everyday kind of palette, but you also have like these shimmers down the side. I always like to put a little shimmer in the middle of my lid. Today I went a little extra with a lot of glitter, but a neutral look with a little bit of shimmer in the center of your lid just makes the world of difference. And this smells amazing. Y'all, it smells like chocolate, like pure chocolate. You know, this is one of the things that makes Tarte amazing, is the way their products smell. It just makes you feel happy. I mean, you're putting chocolate on your face. How could you not be happy? So great marketing tactic, because I want to eat your products. Therefore, I definitely don't mind putting them on my face. And this palette retails for $48. All right, so I think this box was pretty daggum good, you guys. All right, y'all, now that I've tallied everything up, I got $324 worth of products in my BOXYCHARM Luxe box that I paid $50 for. So great box. I mean, I'm not in love with every product, but there are some products that really stand out to me, such as this night mask. I'm really excited to try this cleanser. The palette and the brush set I'm all really excited about. The items I'm not so excited about is this weird smelling glue stick for your eyes. A BB cream, it might blow me away, but I'm not excited at the moment about it. And the pillowcase and mask. But overall, I really do like this box. I'm interested to hear if you guys got something different than I got in my box, and if you guys thought that your box was better than mine. Let me know. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you hate this video and you don't like me, give me a thumbs down. Either way, it'll greatly help my channel if there's interaction on my channel. Well, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye, y'all.